In front of me is Vivo Y175 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Albums app and selecting photos that you wish to delete. Hold one of them and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Select All over here. Now to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!